What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, link in the description for merchandise. Also, Big Cartel, if you guys want to check that out for tuck banners, hit me up on Instagram for custom ones. I have a Dodge Ram that's one of my buddies. He wanted me to knock this out real quick and do the body work, and I'm gonna primer this and get this done. I've done this in, I want to say, about 3 days. I've been up working my butt off, and I have them helping me do this. I wanted to show you guys the process of this, as far as like sanding it and doing everything before and after, but I didn't get to. They're working on doing the back window right now, and let me show you guys a little walkthrough of what I did. The tow truck had different parts, different doors, panels, and fenders and stuff, mixed matched as far as there were different ones that didn't have as much damage as what was on there before. So like the hood needs sanded down, and the roof had some hail damage in some other spots, but as you can see, I did fix wherever the dents were and everything as far as what I'm going to use high build primer, and it's going to build it up, and then I'll sand it down, and then we'll eventually paint this thing. But for the most part, it was to fix all the dents. I took off the mirrors, took off the third brake light, I put some tape on the inside of here, taped everything off. I still need to tape this off, and the door handles and things, but a lot of the dents and stuff were on the back where the bumper was at. So I had to use the dent puller, pull those out. And as far as getting everything pretty straight, I didn't have a chance to get no videos when I went to wash it. I forgot my YouTube phone at home. But I wanted to give you guys a little walk around of it real quick. Got wheel covers, plastic. I went ahead and put plastic underneath the whole hood. I taped underneath the hood. And then also I put into the doors. So that way, as far as everything, maybe just a little bit stuff here and there, just double checking right now. I've already power washed this truck and took it and got degreased and everything, so everything should be fine. For the most part, I didn't want to mess up anything to do with the bed, so I went ahead and put plastic around everything on that, so that way they can do bed liner or whatever, and I just primer the outside. As far as everything, I got little details here and there that I'm just trying to finish up on. I was just trying to catch up on a little bit of this video and get a little something for you guys on it. I went ahead and just put plastic all the way down, taped it around to the edges on here. As far as everything being taped off, the small little tiny details, I mean, the mirror's gonna cover that. Got tape on the inside. For the most part, I don't know what year this Ram is, you guys. I'll put it on the title of the video or something. I'll have to ask him and see what he says. I'm not too familiar with the year of it. It had a lot of dents and stuff, but when I went and washed it, I didn't have my camera. I should have got a video of it, but when I sand things down, and another, I mean, for you guys too, I mean, just a little advice. I mean, when you go to the car wash and you wash it, and you get that, it looks like clear coat over everything, and you can actually see, where everything's at. You can kind of see the reflection and glare to see if everything is going to be perfect. This one came out like that. It looked pretty clean, so I didn't see no issues or no problems as far as my work. And it did take me about 20 hours or so as far as sanding and fixing all the dents. I spent about 10 hours 2 days ago, still editing videos too, you guys. So all these spots that are all over, I'm gonna primer it. Then we'll be good to primer the whole thing together. I do have one more piece right here that he has that I'm gonna have to set up somewhere. The grill is right here. The grill is right here, you guys. So he's not gonna use that one. There's gonna be another one that he has that he's gonna use. You okay?
Yeah.
You don't smell nothing, do you? No?
No.
Nice. Let's keep it moving. Primer on all the spots like I showed you guys as far as for the Bondo. I went ahead and sanded all those down. Got the whole body of the truck down. I'm gonna wipe it down and we should be set. Everything came out pretty clean. That high build primer filled in all the little dots and imperfections from the Bondo. So everything should be set. Everything's ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start primering this right now, you guys. So Alright guys, so got it officially primered. The front grill, he's got that, so he's gonna end up putting a new one on. As far as the grill, the back bumper, he's gonna replace the bumper and the front grill, you guys, so I'm not gonna worry about that. As far as the truck, everything's primered. You can't really see too much of it, but I wanted to get some video footage before I ended up giving it back to him. If I get videos tomorrow for you guys in the daytime before I give it back to him, that'll be better. But we had to find a little spot. Looks pretty good. All the dents and everything are gone, you guys. It's not bad. But like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Take it to the ground, I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I see you running through you, so I gotta do it. Can't do it, get it, cold. Run it up, get it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust. She call me Papa, Time to spurge like bucket, you know they can't stop us. Keep my mind at ease.